With the start of this one, also with the tournaments with FIDE World Team Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship 2026. So let's see of this one with 5 members here. Okay, with the 5 of this one by teams here, with first by WR Chess here, by between by first champion by Grandmaster Norway Magnus Carlsen, and also Grandmaster USA's Fabiano Caruana, and Grandmaster Switzerland Alexander Costinho, and Grandmaster in France Maxime Vacher-Lagrave, also NBL, by Grandmaster USA is Wesley So, and also Grandmaster in China Hu Yifan, and Grandmaster is John Krastov Duda in Poland. So with a combo job, Sandal Shatar and Wadim Rostedstain. And next in Hexamine chess team between Grandmaster France Alireza Ferusha, and also with Grandmaster India is Vedit, and also with Grandmaster India Divya Deshmukh, and Grandmaster Levon Aronian in USA, and Grandmaster Volotar Morsin, and Grandmaster Anish Kiri in Netherlands, and Grandmaster in Russia is Katarina Lagnov. Also with Murat Omarov and Platon Panarin. And next by Dragon, so Dragon chilling here. So between by Grandmaster China Ding Liren, and also Grandmaster Wei Yi, and Grandmaster Yu Yangyi, and Grandmaster Liu Shanglei, and Grandmaster Bai Xingxi, and also with my favorite players, Grandmaster China Lei Tingji, and also first World Champion Grandmaster China Zhu Wenjun, and also with the members here with Wang Xiao and Zhai Zhaoyang. And next by Kaz Chess here, we got Grandmaster here with Kazakhstan Shakhriyar Mamediyarov, and Grandmaster Richard Rapport, and also Grandmaster in her boyfriend with Chavusky is Bibisar Asabayeva in Kazakhstan, and International Master, this is he joining by this one by Kazakhstan Merut Kamali Denova, and also Grandmaster Alexander Greshok, and Grandmaster Wang Hao in China, and International Master Aldiyar Ansat, and Grandmaster Kazibek Norgerbek, and also with the members of Komar Yobo. And last but not the least by Endgames with AI with Grandmaster Leniniar Dominguez Perez and Grandmaster Hasmukh Niman in USA, and also my favorite players by Grandmaster China Zhu Zhiner, and also Grandmaster in also with Alexei Sarana, and also Grandmaster Denis Lazavic here, and also by Grandmaster Amin Tababai. So also with the members of Yongyan and Anduk here. So with that located from this one with Queen Elizabeth Stadium in Wanshai, Hong Kong here. So this the place here is wonderful here. Okay, with the start of this one with day 1 with FIDE World Team Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship 2026. So 2 games analyzed with between Grandmaster, my favorite players in China, Lei Pingqi. After that, second game by Grandmaster, my favorite players with China Grandmaster Zhu Zhiner by number 2. So 2 games analyzed. So what do you think about the brilliant perfect shot here? So what do you think about this one? So let's see of this one with played chess here. Black against with a team of Dragon Chilling here. My favorite players by Grandmaster China Lei Pingqi, and also with Mongol Z with Team Mongol Z by Woman International Master in Mongolia. So the name of this one is Bahar Jargal Bar Yarmaa. So it means Woman International Master Bahar Jargal Bar Yarmaa with a team of Mongol Z here. So it means 2 games analyzed here. So after first game, so the next of this one with Endgames AI with team with number 2 by Grandmaster Zhu Zhiner here. So later of this one with also after the first game with a rapid chess within 15 minutes plus 10 seconds increment. So in this part of this videos in FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Team Chess Championship, and also have we analyze of the standings of day 1 after round number 1. So before we start, so don't forget the game number 4 by Chess Face-to-Face Tournament 2026 between me versus Reston. So after that this one, so without playing together with me versus Reston in this Saturday of afternoon here. Okay. So white plays Bahar Jargal with a team of Mongol Z is d4. Knight f6 by Lei Pingqi with also Dragon Chilling. c4. g6 with King's Indian Defense here. By next of this one with controls with Dark Square Bishop g7 by Lei Pingqi. And also Knight c3 by Bahar Jargal. Bishop g7 with the controls by upcoming by next castling by Lei here. And also e4 by this one with Bahar Jargal, with controls by this one with 3 connected pass pawn with triple pawns here. So 3 connected pass pawn. And also pawn d6 by Lei here. And also bishop e2, castling kingside by Lei. Bishop g5 controls against with dark square with diagonals here. So it is called by this one with openings with King's Indian defense, Arver backbend, Noni advanced variation here. Includes by this one by book lines here. And also pawn to c5 by Leiting Chi here. And also push d5 by Bahar Jargal with a push d5 with controls against semi-close here. And h6 by Leiting Chi with threatening the bishop. Choose if you backwards or capture. Without choices of backwards by Bahar Jargal, bishop e3 here. So this is a provides by this one with controls against with backwards with diagonals here. And Lei is pawn to e6 controls by this one with attacks this pawn. And also h3 by Bahar Jargal by no more by knight. So no more by this one with knight to g4 with controls by connected by pass pawn. I thought the right click is this provided by this one. So with a continue h3, capture this pawn by Lei, capture this pawn, and also rook e8 controls by this one with rook e pulse. So this is a provides by this one by rook e pulse by determinations against positional move. And also knight f3, so controls by maneuver here by Bahar Jargal with an upcoming by next castling here. So this is a upcoming by next castling kingside. And also strong knight e4, so this is a novelty by this one by Lei of this positional game. So this is the old main lines by book lines, is also includes by bishop to f5 is a recording by master opening chess.com database here. With that also knight to e4 new move, so novelty by this one by Leiting Chi here. And also knight captured by Bahar Jargal, rook captured by strong against with Lei here. So includes by this one with team of Dragon Chile with also rook captured here. And also with a team of Mongol Z with Bahar Jargal is queen d2. So with a queen d2 here, with queen d2 against with threatening the pawns here. So with bishop and queens, so this is a threats the pawns. So includes by this one by controls against that two targets against pawns here. And also queen f6 with controls by this one by Leiting Chi. So with the pins against one with diagonals here, so this is a more controls against that. And also rook b1. Okay, rook b1 against with controls here. So with that includes by this one with situations here. So with that explain for example here. In accept, sir, why don't we bishop captured? If you continue here, it is okay here. If you bishop captured and also bishop captured and queen captured, with that idea to the next of maneuvers knight to g5 without idea by upcoming by check. So this is a very strong move against white with knight threatening the rooks here. So this is a once of this computer by correction by good examples here. So with that explain without controls against that. Let's go back here with also with rook b1 against Bahar Jargal here with team Mongol Z here. And also bishop f5 controls against with light square against with Lei here with bishop with pins without controls by this one with diagonals with pins against that. So without controls against attacks this one with rooks here. And also bishop d3. Okay, so this is includes by this one by bishop d3 with bishop with threatening the rooks here with controls against that with targets here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the reviewing with an idea with Excelente with Grandmaster Leiting Chi brilliant move against one of this computer engine? So first tips puzzle here, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook captured, what a brilliant by my favorite players, Leiting Chi. So this is a provides by this one. So evaluation bar blocks. So this is a goods for Excelente. And with Bahar Jargal is simple as castling kingside. So with that explained here. Sir, why don't we continue? If you bishop captured rook, it is okay. Because the bishop captured. And with idea to bishop captured rook here. So one rook down. So two rooks. So this is a one rook left here. So this is a goods for advantage here. So slightly better against with whites and blacks here. Controls against with positional move here. So with that idea, we choose it by symbolize here by castling kingside by bar, Dragal against with Mongolia with Team Mongol Z here. Bishop captured by Lei with controls attacks the rooks. Queen takes captured with idea to threatening the rook. Okay, with threatening the rooks here. So threats the rooks against with bar, Dragal here. And with that forward against ignorance by Dragon chilling by Lei is rook b4. Defense of this one with pawns here. Which includes by this one by rooks with Lei with the idea to threaten the pawns because this is a queens and bishop. Triple here. So triple with also guardian here. So guardian of this one with triple against with strongest against that. And also with controls by also a3. So a3 against with threatening the rooks here and rook b6 here. So with that explained here, why don't we rook capture? If you rook captured b2, it is okay. If you rook captured accepted, queen captured or strongest move with that idea. So it means this is a very strong move against that. So this is a good score, slightly better against that with blacks here. Once of this computer engine here. So with that back there, this one in need backwards by Dragon chilling by Lei is rook b6 here. And also with bar Dragal is pawn to b4. So pawn b4 against with threatening the pawns here to provide against that. So it means with bishop, pawns, and rooks here. So this is a three classical of this one with more positional here. So minor pieces here by this one includes by this one with solid move here. So it means so swung against with pawns. Knight d7. Okay, with knight d7 controls against that. To need by this one by controls by positional here. And also with bar Dragal, rook fc1 without more of this one with here. With more of this one with controls against with rook pairs here. So it means if you capture this pawn to continue by this one with also rook captured accepted here. So this is a captured if you captured here. So repeat, if you captured. So if you captured here, so it means this is a bishop captured here. So this is a provides by this one by more of this one with diagonals here. And Lei is also rook c8 controls by defense develops by pawns here. So need by this one by defense here. And also with pawn a4 against with next of this one with a5 to controls by strong move here. And the last move, the finishing a6. What happened by Lei? So it means so very problems against that. So a6 here. So after of this one with 21 moves here with day number 1 and round number 1 with that decided resigns by Team Mongol Z Woman International Master Bar Dragal in this Mongolia. So it means so without review here, so the best move this one. So once of this computer is rook b8 is a challenge move. So this is a goods for advantage for black. So look at evaluation bar. So this is a perfect shot here. So it means so a6 here. So it means bad move here. So need by this one with creating here. So the score by this one by Team Mongol Z with also Woman International Master Bar Dragal Mongolia 96.8 and Grandmaster Lei Tingchi 96.9. So it means win against one by Grandmaster Lei Tingchi here. Okay, so the next of this one with day number 1 by second game between with Endgames AI by number 2 by Grandmaster Zhugener. So next proceed of this one by second games here. Okay, white against also with a team of Endgame AI with a number 2 Grandmaster China Zhugener and versus by the team of Kaisa Hong Kong Chess Club. So no more from this one with ratings here. So with that includes that. With that Hong Kong is the name of this one with also the name of the boy here. So the name Carl Shen in this Hong Kong. So Hong Kong was live in the Hong Kong by this one. So the LO ratings of 70, 58. So this is a This is okay by this one with strong move here. So in this part of this videos here, in the second game here, with day number 1 and round number 1, and also having analyzed of the standings here. So it means, so d4 by Zhugener here, knight f6 by Kalshen, c4, e6. So it means is Indian defense here. Knight c3, bishop b4, it is called by Nimso Indian defense because the bishop b4 without pins against that to stop against with kings with check here. Without upcoming by this one by castling by Kalshen here. And also pawn to e3 by Zhugener, and also b6 by Kalshen by next with the square here with bishop to b7 with controls by diagonals against that. So this is a light square against with positional by solid move. Knight e2 by this one by Zhugener, bishop b7. So it is called by this one with openings king's Indian defense over back. So it means what's the name? I'm sorry. So it means, so what's the code here? So it is called by this one with Nimso Indian defense, St. Petersburg Fischer variation. So I love my favorite players by this one with Bobby Fischer. Includes my favorite players here. So Bobby Fischer variation. So it means Nimso Indian defense, St. Petersburg Bobby Fischer variation. So with that Bobby Fischer includes by this one with variation against with book lines here. So I'm sorry I got wrong by this one with openings. So includes that. So realize here, so it means this is a first game. I thought this is very wrong move by speaker. I thought the second game here. So with a St. Petersburg Bobby Fischer variation here. And also with that, also team endgame AI by number 2 Zhugener is pawn to a3. So pawn a3 by tracking the bishop here. With also with it includes by this one with attacks. If you choose, if you backwards or captured. With Kalshen backwards here, bishop e7 includes by book lines here. And also knight f4, strong move against that with Zhugener. So this is a very strong move here. Castling kingside by Kalshen. Bishop d3 by Zhu, without upcoming by next castling by number 2 here. Pawn d6 by Kalshen. Castling by Zhugener, and also c5 controls by attacks this pawn here. And also push d5 with the controls. So it means, so for example, if you capture this pawn, so this is a captured. So let's choose captured here. So captured of this pawn here. So this is a good for examples here. So with that back there, this one is push d5 against Zhugener here. Captured by Kalshen, captured, and also a6 with controls by this one with movement against with Kalshen with positional move here. So this is a continuous against that to creating by this one by determinations here. A4 by strong move against with number 2 here. Queen c7 provides against that to controls by next of knight to b d7 here. So next maneuver here. Bishop backwards c2 by Zhugener here. Knight bd7, good move against with maneuver here to provide by this one by next of with the idea to next of knight to e5. So knight e5 is a next maneuver to controls against that to need by this one by next of move by maneuver against knight here. And also e4 by this one by Zhugener, c4 with push. So this is a not found in this book lines because novelty by Kalshen here. So this is the old main lines here with 3 types here. Is also with rook a c8, rook f c8, and or maybe by this one with pawn g6. So 3 types of this one with old main lines here with also chess.com opening database here. So this is a 3 types. So it means rook a c8, second rook f c8, and third g6 by pawns here. So it means fourth is also pawn c4, fourth novelty against that with Kalshen. So includes by this one with provides here. So this is a new move by pawns here. So it means pawn c4 here. And also with Zhu is knight f e2. So without set by Zhugener, idea to defend that one. So this is the voice by Zhugener here. So without knight f e2 by Zhugener. And also knight knight to e5 here with a, more of this maneuver, so it means so does not like of this computer engine by Carl Shen here. So the best move this one is rook f e8 provides by controls by rook e files here. So this is a good for slightly better against with blacks here. So it means so back there this one is knight e5 by Carl Shen here, divides by this one by defense by pawns here, and also knight d4. I moved by knight d4 here. I realize here. So it means so this is a voice of Jurgener here, so it includes that by this one. Or maybe my next out maneuvers is knight to f3 with controls by attacks the knights here. It provides by idea by Jurgener. Knight f d7 go back by Carl Shen here. Okay, with go backs by includes here. And also f4 with idea with threatening the knights. Knight g6. Oh, knight g6. What happened, Carl Shen? Or maybe next up f5. Oh, f5 here. Threatening the knights. So with more go backs against that in knights here. And also bishop e3 by Jurgener here. And also bishop f6 controls against with dark square here with idea threatening the knights here. And queen h5, what a strong move, perfect by number 2 Jurgener against that. With an idea to next of rook f3 and next by rook g3. So this is a next of very strong move against with number 2 here. And Carl Shen is knight to c5 against with controls with that idea with strongest move here. Rook a d1. What happened? So it means with the idea rook d1. So why don't we move rook f3 to next up provides by rook g3? So this is a controls against with choose with more move by number 2 here. Rook f e8 go backs here. Or realize here by this one by controls rook e files. Rook f3. Okay, this is a very strong move by this one by number 2 by next of rook g3 with idea by sacrifice with knights here. And also bishop to c8 controls against that with light square here. Rook g3, what a strong move with Jurgener number 2. Or maybe with the idea threatening the knights with brilliant against sacrifice here. Bishop h4 with threatening the rook, so another bad move by Carl Shen. So this is a low evaluation bar here. So the best move this one is pawn b5 is a correct move here. So this is a good sport advantage for blacks here. So after bishop h4 by Carl Shen, so the second puzzle, what do you think about the brilliant perfect sacrifice captured by number 2 by Grandmaster Jurgener? Second tips for puzzle, so while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured g6, brilliant captured sacrifice. The rook! So it means so shot at Gotham chess. So it means rook captured g6, perfect shot by Jurgener. What a perfect. So rook captured g6, brilliant. And also Carl Shen captured by sacrifice by rooks and with continuous queen captured bishop. So with the controls here. So this is a perfect shot by highest evaluation bar. So this is a good precise here. And Carl Shen is bishop e7 here. So with attacks this one with pawns here. And also knight f3 provides by this one by Jurgener here. And also f6. What's the plus by Carl Shen? Oh, with next of this one with g5. So g5 against with move here. And avoided ignorance by Jurgener is queen g3. So with queen g3 here. Pawn to b5. So look at the Carl Shen late move here. And also rook captured pawns. I'm sorry. Huh? Oh, queen. I forgot something. Sorry. So queen g3. So with queen g3 here, so with the idea to threats the pawns here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot something by this one. So realize it by this one, queen g3. So it means b5 by Carl Shen and queen captured by Jurgener number 2 against that. So realize by this one by controls we captured here. And also Pawn b4 with threatening the knights here, which provides by strong move against Kalshan here. Okay, so the third puzzle, so another brilliant move by this one by number 2 by Zhuzhiner with third guessing puzzle. So while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Another brilliant pawn e5. What a brilliant. So another brilliant sacrifice move by number 2 Schuschner. Pawn e5. Another brilliant. So with the highest evolution by whites here. So look at the perfect shot against number 2 by Schuschner. Captured. Oh, what happened by Kalshin? Why captured? Oh, wait, no, so strong. Pawn d6, what a danger with blocks. So this is a lowest who does not like a captured. What happened by Kalshen? Ay, what happened? What happened? So it means so the best of this one, the currency is knight to d3. What the correct move? So this is a good score advantage. So it means captured. Oh my god, without coming by strong. So number 2 here. And with d6, what a brilliant, what a strong with number 2 by number 2 Schuschner here, threatening the queens. Queen c6 here, with a queen c6 by this one by Kalshen here. And also queen h7 with check. What a check by this one by Schuschner. King f8, and also with another check is queen h8 check. King f7, another with check here by queen h5. What a perfect with Schuschner. King g8, and also with the strongest by number 2, bishop g6. What a good move provides here by number 2 Schuschner. Bishop threatening the rooks here, which provides by attacks here. Bishop e6 here, and also f5 with threatening the bishop. So it means, so for example, if you bishop captured here, so if you bishop captured e6 and rook captured, it provides here. So rook captured e8 here. So this is a good provides here, and also I don't know what's the moves here. We realize here, so never mind by this one with example. So good examples by this one. So it means, so back there this one is f5 by number 2 Schuschner threatening the bishop. Rook e7. I mean queen d7. Sorry. Sorry, I forgot wrong notes. I'm sorry, I got wrong notes. So it means queen d7, not rook. So queen d7 here. So this is a very wrong move here. So with that back there, this one, the idea is bishop here. Bishop d7 is a backwards here. So this is a good for examples. So it means, so queen d7 here. So queen d7 by this one by Kalshen here. And capture the bishop, what the empty. So without two piece down here. So with one piece down by this one by Kalshen. So captured against with Schuschner here. Queen takes captured here, and without also without another is bishop captured knight. So bishop captured by number 2 Schuschner. Kalshen captured with knights here. And also with the provides here is queen h7 check. What a move by this one with perfect shot by number 2 Schuschner here. So this is a good move. And also king f8 with king must be active with Kalshen, and the last move with the finishing with openings here. Pawn d7 check, openings with check here. With that idea with pawns threats the rooks here. So it means resigns by Hong Kong with Kaisa. Hong Kong Chess Club is a name of Carl Chen here. So it means why he resigns here. For example, so if you rook e7 only move with Kalshen here, and also with queen h8 check, if you queen g8 with queen to queen and promotes by d8 queen here, you rook captured here, and Matika being game over mating net. So it means murder by black pieces here. Oh my god. So it means, so So it means that the winner by Jugener here. So the score by this one 94.6 by Jugener and satisfactory 81.5 by Kalshan in Hong Kong. Congratulations here. Okay, so I will next up this one with round number 2 with beautiful pretty international master Theodora Inchak and also versus number 2 by Jugener. So it means Jugener here. By next update number 1 by round number 2 here. Okay, so I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka IcoMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.